Hi guys, so I cook spaghetti bolognese for our dinner and I asked my husband how cooked he want the pasta is. He told me if it stick on the wall. So let me stick it on the wall. Well, pasta is cooked even it doesn't stick on the wall. So while plating the food, let's talk about pasta. So this is our dinner, spaghetti bolognese. In English, we pronounce it spaghetti bolognese. In Italy, spaghetti bolognese. So, tossing the bolognese sauce with the spaghetti is an Americanized version of the classic. Much quicker and easier. So, in other words, perfect for busy weeknights like tonight. So, on the other hand, the spaghetti sauce is simply tomato sauce based with seasoning like onion, garlic, herbs, and other spices, depending on your taste, of course. While bolognese made with ground meat, such as ground beef, so it's in short, it's more meaty. Guys, let me just finish my food plating, then I will be showing you how I cook my spaghetti bolognese. Americanized style, just warn you, this is not authentic bolognese sauce like Nonna from Bologna, but this is easy, quick, and tasty. I usually don't saute any minced garlic, onion, or celery, parsley, because I use powder. Ready and easy, no chopping involved, that's why it's quick, but guarantee it's tasty. So I'll just add Parmesan cheese and parsley. Voila! Perfect for picture.
So, what I'm going to do is this is related to some of the things I want you to think about. But nevertheless, I have some of list for you to think about.
Guys, tasting time. It's really tasty. Pwede na akong magkarinderya sa kanto.
It's your own service. They want expression, the things they want to do with their service. I know, keep somebody they want.
So guys, it's time to show you how I cook. In a heated non-stick pan, cook the ground meat until brown and season it with a little bit of salt, pepper. So I want it to be a little bit spicy, so I will add chili flakes. And of course, don't forget to drain off any fat. And while cooking the sauce, you can cook pasta as well. As you can see, I use only powdered seasoning instead of chopped onion and garlic. But traditionally, you will add also chopped carrots and celery. Alexa, Italian music.
The playlist Flow Italiano on Amazon Music.
So guys, we need to add tomato sauce, and you can also add milk, a little bit of milk, so it's more creamier. But here I don't use milk, I just add tomato sauce. So guys, after you add tomato sauce, and then optional if you want to add a little bit of milk, then simmer it for like 5 minutes. And it's ready. Alexa, stop.